He told Team 10 from behind bars that he didn't pull the trigger. Tonight, that convicted murderer may be one step closer to freedom. It comes after a major victory in court.
Team 10 investigator Allison Ash joins us now. And Allison, it sounds like the judge had issues with how this case was prosecuted.
Yeah, it sure does. You know, Brandon Price is claiming that he was the victim of prosecutorial misconduct. That's the basis of his request for habeas corpus, which is basically asking the court to say he was unlawfully convicted. Now the judge is telling the DA they've got 30 days to come up with a good explanation for why Price's conviction shouldn't be overturned.
I was in the car, but I did not kill Anthony Newsom.
Do you know who did?
I don't know who did. I had my head down.
That's what Brandon Price told me from prison months ago. Now, after spending 13 years behind bars, this San Diego County judge has made a ruling that could be the key to unlocking the prison gates.
He has granted the habeas corpus on all 4 counts.
Price was convicted in a car-to-car shooting that killed 17-year-old Anthony Newsom. His attorney claims the key witness in his case was an informant who, it was recently learned, got benefits, including a reduced sentence in exchange for his testimony. Price's attorney has uncovered evidence that the jury was never told.
When they assess his credibility, they are entitled to know, is this man an informant who's testifying about information he saw or he was told about, or is he being passed around the gang unit? Is he being used?
2 other prosecution witnesses have recanted statements that led to Price's conviction, now saying he didn't do it. In his ruling, the judge also mentions prosecutorial misconduct for failing to tell the defense all that they knew. Now the prosecution is on the hot seat and must answer to the judge.
Because at this point, it's falling apart.
30 minutes ago, a spokesperson for the district attorney's office sent me a statement that says, in part, the judge's order rejects many of the unsubstantiated and untrue claims of prosecutorial and judicial misconduct. It is in no way a major victory for the defense. So 2 very different takes now on the same ruling.
And this brings up another issue for the victim's family as well. Old wounds open back up because of this.
Absolutely. Now, the victim's family we have not been able to reach them. We know that Brandon Price's mother is delighted at this news.
Absolutely.
We know you're staying on it. Thank you, Allison.